Okay, here we go. We're gonna have a pack opening of Dungeons and Dragons. Oh shit. I'm not sure what edition this is. We got some classy black dice here. All of them. That's quite nice. Oh look, we got a Dungeon Master book. Words. It's not for me. I'm not a Dungeon Master. The player's. Oh fuck! I missed close. Here's the player's book. Look, number 97. Yeah, I'll read this later, so I'm just more OP than everyone else. No. Your next quest awaits. Continue your character's career with another solo adventure. Okay. That's nice, I think. Oh, what's this? A redemption code. Holy shit. 2011? GG. Oh, okay. Here we go. This is the... I don't know if I want to open this out completely, but we got a map. Different areas in the map. Fucking dude. GG. This is a top quality kit. Piece of paper, and here we go. We got mobs to die for. Holy... Oh crap, no, I don't want to pop it out. Shh, shh, shh. If anyone asks, it wasn't me. And what the fuck are these? Cards. Playing some Yu-Gi-Oh! Dungeons & Dragons. These ability cards. Holy shit, there's quite a few of them actually. I'm not sure what they do, but I'll just chuck them to the side for now. Got some old character sheets. Not double-sided, but that's fine. It's just here for what it is. Let's try and... fucking paper, mate. This one... Okay, fuck it. I'm flipping it upside down. Oh, okay. That might be the end of the pack opening. Fuck. Shit. So, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe. Check me out on all of the social devices, including Facebook, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'm signing out.